Douglas, do you know the difference between the man that succeeded and the one that failed?
The difference is that one succeeded and is enjoying himself, and then the other one is a struggling man.
Good. Why did one succeed and the other one a struggling man?
I don't know why you're asking me all these questions. You are the example of a successful man, the man who has succeeded and is enjoying himself. And I am example of a struggling man, sir. I don't know whether that has answered your question.
Douglas.
Sir.
Have you been doing anything stupid in the course of discharging your duties in this house?
Sir, I've been doing my best as a man working for a millionaire. You know that already.
Douglas, I am going to be direct. Have you been stealing my money?
Sir, you cannot ask that. You know, the kind of structure you have in place cannot allow anybody to steal anything from here.
Douglas, you may leave now. I need to speak with my father.
Sandra, I was still talking with Douglas before you strolled in here.
Daddy, I need to speak with you urgently.
Yes, sir. I can always come back, sir. Let me come back, sir.
So what brings my angel here?
Hi. This idiot that just called me now has refused to pick a call. What does she want? Can a man not have his normal hit and run and get away with it these days? What is this? What nonsense is this now? Listen, tension has already been created in this place. Why are you running like this?
Stanley, can you just sit down?
Total. In fact, I did Mr. Total. I hate to be called Stanley. I've told you this before.
Mr. Total Nonsense. Can you just understand there is a big problem already? Sit down. Big problem.
Why are you not picking his calls? I mean, your plan was to get him here.
Yeah. Exactly why I must not talk to him again. I need to get him tensed up. Talking to him will calm his nerves. That's not the plan.
I keep wondering how I got myself into this whole mess. I mean, he was able to convince me that he's intelligent. And because of my love for intelligent people, I just fell for it.
He's only intelligent when it comes to wooing women. That's his occupation. By the way, what did he tell you he does for a living?
He told me he works with a marble company.
To start with, his real name is Stanley. Mr. Total is just a nickname. He works as a domestic staff for Chief Jeremiah Okolo, the CEO Managing Director of Blast Marbles. So you see, he may be right to say he works with a marble company, but the truth is, he doesn't work there. He is just a cook.
Excuse me. Wait, you're not serious. What? A cook?
How come I didn't tell you this the first day? Yes, he's a cook. A cook that lives off the fortune of another man. Yet he goes about destroying people's lives. I am waiting for him to come here today.
Oh my God. But wait a minute. Where is this so-called friend of yours? I mean, she should be the one planning all this, not you.
Do you know what it means for a woman's wedding to be cancelled just few days before the D-Day. Do you?
Oh, I can imagine. I hope she's okay.
She's not! The poor girl almost took her own life. And that's why I'm doing all this.
Oh my
From
God.
a friend. She's a bit better now. But the poor girl's life will never be the same again.
Poor girl. I understand. Total. Only God knows what he had planned for me.
It's certain. His plan is to use you and dump you. Simple.
Well, anyways, I don't know when he'll be coming over, and I obviously can't keep waiting because I have an appointment to catch up with. I guess I should get going.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'll give you a heads up, all right? Whatever happens. If he doesn't come today, tomorrow is another day.
Sure. All right. Whatever it is, just keep me posted, yeah?
I will.
All right. So, I have to get going. So, I guess I'll just see you later, yeah?
All right.
All right. Take care. You too. All right. Bye.
Daddy, that is the only way I can comfortably have them under the same roof with us.
But Sandra, you have no facts.
We don't need to have facts. It's all about safeguarding our lives. We've been too careless, if you ask me.
And you think having armed men will keep us safe?
It will go a long way. It will equally put the domestic workers on check in case they are planning anything funny.
Okay, done. I will fix a meeting with the Commissioner of Police to that effect.
Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Just to make you happy. As for me, no one can harm me or any of my own.
You're simply the best. Thank you.
I know.
Now, I can tell you other plans that I have.
There are more?
Hey. How come we didn't see this coming? How?
Someone is after us. I am convinced.
And who could that be?
How am I supposed to know? Eh? But I am convinced that this sudden change in both Oga and his daughter is not normal.
Of course, I agree with you completely. It's not normal at all. Hey, and to think that he was asking me that question, I can't understand it. The method that I am even going back to Facebook questions is making me sick already. I'm sick as I'm sitting here now.
Hey. And we have not even started doing the major stealing. And
How could you be saying that kind of nonsense when the stakes are high like this? You're talking about stealing, are you mad? Are you normal?
Is that why you should be touching me with this your nonsense left hand? Touching my mouth with this nonsense left hand that I don't even know where it has entered? Yeah?
This is the total. We have serious issues here. Why are you bothering yourself with where my hands have entered? Are you mad? Are you not mad? My hand is very clean.
Which hand is clean? This nonsense hand?
This hand is clean.
What is this?
Douglas, my dad wants to see you now.
Did you hear that? And you're talking of still an idiot. Can you hear that? Do you know that time that he called me, I almost fainted.
See, I did not almost. I fainted on your behalf.
Should I tell you the truth? You see this job you are doing, I hate it. I don't like it.
So, he said nothing about his question.
He just asked me to go and deliver a message to Chief Charles in his house. I'm hoping that I will use that opportunity to catch fresh air, if you understand what I mean. Go and cook pepper soup for me. Now, Monday, open the gate, I beg.
Your house rent is practically wasting. You no longer spend a minute in this house.
My dear, what can I say? Mark can't spend more than 2 nights without me. He's even asking me to move in with him.
It's a lie.
I'm serious, though I've been declining. But if he wants all the benefits a wife can give, he should make me one.
Amanda, don't tell me you're thinking of settling down with him already.
Why not? We are in love, girlfriend. We are in love.
In your dreams, idiot.
Is anybody at home? Please. I want to see Amanda. This is Douglas.
Are you expecting someone?
Nope.
Amanda, I know you are in there. Please open the door for me.
Let me check. Excuse me.
Wow. Beautiful one. Absolutely amazing. Why are you looking at me that way as if you don't remember me? This is Douglas. The same Douglas that gave you a ride the other day.
Of course I know it's you, Douglas.
Douglas? The same Douglas. This is the Douglas I've been waiting for.
What are you doing at my door?
I came to see you, my dear.
Oh my, look who we've got here, Douglas.
Yeah.
Douglas. Betsy. My name's Betsy. Amanda here has said so many interesting things about you. It's a pleasure to get to meet you finally.
Really?
Absolutely.
I am impressed. I actually came to see you, my dear.
Amanda, you didn't ask him to come in?
No. No. Of course, Douglas is on his way.
No. I came to see you. I have all the time, please. Definitely, yes.
Come in, Douglas.
Okay.
Come in, Douglas.
Come in.
Come in. Wow, you're welcome.
Ladies' apartment. Nice.
Mr. Douglas,
Yes, my dear.
I was already on my way out to see my boyfriend before you came in. But don't worry, Betty here will give you the company that you need.
I am sorry, Amanda, but I don't know why you are doing this. I came here to see you.
Come on, Douglas, it's okay. I can assure you, you won't regret this visit.
Well, I can see that already. But please, Amanda, do you mind if I drop you off to where you are going?
No, thanks. I have already made a plan. Betty, a minute. Excuse me.
Okay, excuse me, please. I'll be back shortly.
Are you out of your mind? What's wrong? He is a total stranger for all I care.
I like that stranger. I like that stranger, Amanda. Does that mean anything to you?
Then take him somewhere else. I am not comfortable with him in my home. I am not comfortable with him here. What if my boyfriend comes in? What if Mark comes in now?
Mark is waiting for you in his house. Have you forgotten?
I don't like this. I don't like this one bit.
Come on, darling. I won't make a mess, I promise. Come on, baby, go.
Betty.
He's waiting for you.
Betty, lock my door while leaving. I don't want to look for anything. No. Lock my door.
I will. I will, baby. Bye-bye. Love you.
I mean, for how long has she been your friend?
For as long as I can't remember. Why do you ask?
Because I can't understand what just happened. I came in here to see her. You know, to spend some quality time with her. Possibly to be with her. Like a man and the lady in the lady's apartment. You know what I'm talking about? Look at what she did. She just left, abandoning us here, you and I. But does that make any sense to you?
I'm not surprised you're saying this. I mean, I'm used to it. Every man that has crossed our path chooses her. What's new?
Can you please explain what that means? Are you, by any chance, telling me that you girls are into the business of men, as in you are fully into men?
Never mind. I'd like to have your mobile contact, Mr. Douglas. Perhaps we could do businesses in the future.
Mm-hmm. All right then. Just die yourself.
You were excited because a gorgeous woman took your phone number.
Women are very exciting, are they not? Oh, I love women.
And they will still be the ones that will land a man in trouble.
Total. Is this no longer you? Why are you standing this way?
Do you know that Dikeh has been frustrating my life lately?
Wait, is it because of the message she asked me to deliver to you the other day? Is that why you're saying this nonsense? What did she do?
You won't understand. She has been calling me. First, she called that I should come to her place. That if I refuse, I will be in trouble. In order not to be in trouble, I called her. But she refused to pick my call. The next thing was threatening messages.
That's empty threat. If you will listen to me, any woman that is sending a text to any man threatening that man is sending empty threat. Forget her.
Hey, so is it now a crime for a man to have one night stand with a woman?
Listen to me. All women are not the same. Anybody who is telling you that all women are the same is just an idiot. He doesn't know anything. There are some women that are very domineering, very clingy. Once you have anything to do with them, mainly what you call one night stand with any of these such women, they will wed themselves to you in the spirit. They will begin to believe that both of you are the same. In fact, they will begin to see themselves in your tomorrow. Dikeh is one of them. She's already seeing her tomorrow with you. And if you will listen to me, stop responding to her text messages. Stop answering her calls. You just frustrate her to the extent that she will just locate herself in the Naija and jump inside.
Yes, that is exactly what I will do now. I will just go there and dump her into the Naija.
No, that is not what I said. I said you are going to frustrate her and she will jump in herself and never ask you to push.
She will jump into the Naija.
Yes.
What nonsense? Yeah? She's not even my type. She has no money to take care of me. Yeah? Should I shock you?
What?
She's not very good in bed.
Oh my goodness, Total. Can't you stop? Must you speak without mentioning sex? What's your problem? Are you such a maniac? Hey, can we talk about something important? Like, let's talk about the pepper soup.
Which pepper soup?
The pepper soup I asked you to cook when I was leaving. And I need a plate.
My friend, why you like this now? We're talking about something very serious. Threatening messages, and you're talking about...
Threatening messages from a woman is not anything near a plate of pepper soup. Go and bring it.
I should go and bring a plate fast. As Chief Okolo?
No, as second in command.
Second in command? Don't provoke me. Drink your beer. Just drink your beer now.
Drink your beer. Don't tell me you didn't cook the pepper. Don't tell me you didn't cook that pepper soup.
Cook what? Did you give me any pepper soup? Don't. Please, I beg you, leave me. Somebody is calling me and sending threatening messages. And you're here telling me about pepper soup. With pepper soup. Stop now.
My dear, I'm so sorry to hear all that. I'm so sorry.
That guy is so wicked.
If I were you, I would not be too quick to judge him. You've not heard his own side of the story.
Listen, that lady obviously wouldn't have made up the story. I mean, she confronted him openly.
Until you hear from him. Have you tried calling him?
Call who? domestic staff? Oh, please. But you like him. Listen. I'm more concerned about what this lady is planning to do to him. Do you understand?
My dear, if I were you, I will not. Amanda, you are new in this town. Hey? You can't just trust people that you don't even know. You can't just trust people like that.
I know, you're right. But I'm just tagging along out of sheer curiosity.
You have to stop. Okay? Just stay away. You need to focus on your job now. You have your supervisor to impress. You have to impress your supervisor.
You're right. Talking about job, listen, I have a whole lot of files on my table that I really need to work on, okay? So,
I'll have to be on my way.
all right.
I'll see you some other time.
Okay, sure.
Hey, that reminds me.
Okay.
I've been meaning to ask you, when will you accompany me to my guy's place?
Oh, okay. Anytime you want to.
Sure?
I'm always available. Sure.
Cross your heart.
I sure.
Come here. Take care. All right, let me
All
go
right,
my
so
way.
see ya.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
There. That doesn't give out anything if you ask me.
Never mind. That'll do the magic for me.
So, what are you waiting for, Master Planner?
The idiot is still camping at Mark's house. As soon as she goes back to her God-forsaken house, I'll launch my attack.
I see.
So, what's it with you and the cook?
The chef.
Whatever. Why are you trying to make his job sound better than what it is anyway? Cook, chef, whatever.
I don't know what's up with him. He has refused to come here like we planned.
Oh, really? Why?
I've got no idea.
Then go for plan B. The Maureen girl. We could use her to get him.
I don't think she's interested. I mean, she hardly picks my calls.
Anyway, you have to just take it easy for now. As soon as I am done with this Mark and Amanda's issue, I should be able to cook you something really palatable. But you see that cook, he needs to be taught a very bitter lesson.
Definitely.
Leave that to me.
I'm sure you saw the two armed policemen out there.
Exactly. We saw the idiots that are standing outside, and we kept wondering what the hoodlums have come to do in our compound. Huh?
Well, those people you referred to as idiots are an addition, and the latest addition to my domestic staff. Well, a formal introduction will be done later. But for now, be informed that they will be here 24/7. And I expect all of you to give them your maximum cooperation.
Of course they will, Daddy. And to add to that, each of you must go with one of them each time you are on an errand. In fact, they must be with you whenever you're leaving this compound.
How is that possible, Chef? Did you approve this?
Well, not exactly the way she said it. But the fact still remains that nobody leaves this compound without them. Well, it's not because I want to make anyone uncomfortable, but it's just to ensure that there is order in this house from now on.
No.
But sir, it seems like you don't trust us. As in, you don't trust us anymore. It hurts. Because all we have been doing all these years was to serve you selflessly.
With our blood and everything, we have been serving, sir.
This is Stanley.
Chief, total.
Shut your mouth. I said it is not about trust. But it's about ensuring that everything works properly in this house.
But sir, we have been working well in this house, sir.
I've been cooking well too.
And we have been eating well too.
I have spoken. You may leave. Leave.
Don't mind them, Daddy. At least I can have a good night rest.
I just hope this works well. Sure.
Hi! I knew it. I knew that something bad was coming, but I never knew that it would be this bad.
How are we going to survive this? With these armed idiots looking around? I don't understand. I mean, how do we manage the women with these animals following us around with guns? Did you tell them that we need bodyguards? Or are you the one that told them that we need bodyguards?
That is your own. I am concerned about how to survive in here than outside.
Don't overlook outside, because outside survival is equally very important.
See, Doc, I don't know about you, but this looks like the end for us. See, I cannot survive under this condition. I cannot do.
So what are you planning? To resign? Resign to what? Do you have any skill? Do you know anything apart from cooking rice and beans? What else do you know?
That is insulting. You're insulting me now. See, we have to work harder than ever. We have to work harder.
Let me understand what you mean, or what you understand work harder to mean. Is it that you will learn how to cook better food, and then possibly I will go and learn how to drive better? I'm already a wonderful driver because I can drive anything.
My friend, don't be a fool forever. We're talking about something serious. We are talking about driving and cooking rice and beans. Think. Listen, think of what you can lay your hands on. Anything that you can lay your hands on and get out of this place. You're talking about rice and beans.
Can you swear on anything that you have not been the one causing all this problem for us? Because you have been planning to sleep with Sandra. Are you sure that she's not the one that, because of your stupid ways to sleep with her, that she has arranged this thing just to punish us?
That's why we're having this problem. So this is what we have been thinking. Douglas, it is you that has landed us into this trouble.
Totally, Leonce again. An idiot.
Come on, Mark, let me in.
What have you got today?
Listen, I'm not comfortable standing here. I want to come in.
How will you be comfortable? Tell me. Oh, I see. You fear your friend might come here and see all you've been doing behind her, hasn't it?
Mark, please wait. Excuse me. What now? You want to beat me up?
Beat you? Your conscience will do that to you. That is if you have one.
Mark, simply because I'm trying to help you, you're heaping this sort of insult on me.
Oh, spare me that!
Okay. When you're done listening to this, you can talk to me.
Have you been fooling me all this while?
Baby, he is a nobody. Trust me.
And nobody will pay you a visit, right?
I told you how I mistook him for a cab the other day. He came looking for me on his own.
Then you took him inside your room.
What?
Wait a minute. Now tell me, what do you have to say about this?
Hold on. Who recorded that and why? Betty. Oh, did Betty send that clip to you? Did she?
She has been trying to advise me against the kind of life you leave behind me. But I foolishly trusted you.
Betty? Oh my God. Oh my God. Honey, listen to me. Listen to me. I don't know why. I don't know why Betty is trying to blackmail me. Please. But she was the one that said she likes the man and practically brought him into my room. She was the one, not me.
I don't have time for this nonsense.
Baby, no, baby, you can't go now. Baby, baby, you can't. Betty!
Oh, yes, I did.
You did? Why will you do that? Why? Where did I ever go wrong with you?
Go wrong with me. Go wrong with me. Or go wrong with Mark. Listen up, girl. Good girls like myself are still single because bad girls like you have caged and are manipulating good guys like Mark.
People like me, you see. People like me. I trusted you. I trusted this thing. I took you in like a sister. Of course, you know, I have never cheated on Mark. Never! And you know everything about that Douglas guy. You know everything! Every damn thing you know!
I don't know zilch. The only thing that I know is that you were very much in love with Douglas. Douglas is fresh. And you, Amanda, loves fresh things. I just did you a favor. The clip I gave to Mark will just earn you the freedom that you so longed for.
I can see that you have totally gone insane. You are mad. Why? Why are you doing this? Why? What do you stand to gain? What? If Mark breaks up with me, what do you stand to gain? What?
If. Did I hear you say if Mark breaks up with me? Or when Mark breaks up with you? Huh? I will gain everything when Mark breaks up with you, Amanda. Get that into your pompous head. You do not deserve Mark.
You know what? I pray you step out of the mirror on time to see the damage you are doing to yourself. Not me. Fool.
You're an idiot.
Betsy. You know she's got nothing to do with that guy. Why did you insist, even in her presence?
Come on, darling. I just beat her to her own game. That girl could have a recorder attached somewhere in her body. So now, she's got the wrong conversation recorded. I beat her to her game. Tada.
Betsy, the mini devil. Betsy.
I don't know why you are relaxing as if you have reached the end of the world. Listen to me. What I am telling you here now is the opportunity we have to hammer. Let us capitalize on this. Hey, just calm down, calm down. Calm down and explain to me. Listen, the only thing he needs is that ring our boss, Chief Okolo, has been wearing all the time. That's the only thing he needs. Yes, you have said that already. But my question is, how does that translate to him giving us money? Because that ring is the secret of our boss. That ring is what is giving him all the money. In fact, that ring is what made him a millionaire. Are you serious? No wonder. No wonder. No wonder. I know that there's something behind that ring. Because of how he treats it. Could you believe that Chief will never leave this house without wearing it? But collecting the ring for him, how is it possible? But that is the essence of this meeting we are holding now. We need to arrange money. 50,000 naira that we are going to give this man, and he will prepare sham that will make it possible for us to steal the ring. Look at 50,000 naira. That's my salary we are talking about. And you are okay with that, your salary of 50,000 naira? You are okay with that nonsense salary? Listen to me, don't stop misbehaving. What's the matter with you? You will bring 25,000 naira, and then I will bring the remaining. Because if you are reading the handwriting on the wall, you will discover that our days in this house are numbered. Therefore, we need to make fast movement, and that is the movement we are talking about here. Don't argue, because if you raise any argument, I am going to insist you bring the whole 50,000 naira. No more argument. Because I already brought the idea. Somebody should be bringing the cash. No more. I am no more arguing. Go and bring it. Now. And you're not going to bring the money now.
Listen to me. I don't know why. I don't know why Betsy is trying to blackmail me. Please. But she was the one that said she likes the man and practically brought him into my room. She was the one, not me.
Anybody home? Hi, Mark. Come on, let me in. I've come to take my reward. I thought you said I could reward myself.
One question for you. Did you practically plan all that out so you can destroy my relationship with Amanda?
Come off that silly question, Mark. Let me in. Let me come in. I deserve the best treatment from you today.
No. No, you don't. Now leave this premises this very moment. Leave here.
Mark, you don't insult a girl who saved your ass from your gold-digging girlfriend.
Well, thank you. Thank you if you think that is what you've done. But let me tell you something. You see that gold-digging girlfriend of mine? I would rather date her or even marry her than for me to spend the night with you backstabbing bitch. Listen. Never you knock on my door again. Okay? Because the next time you do that, you will not like how the door will be opened to you. Now you get out. Get out! Nonsense.
Oga Masazu, that is the same ring you asked us to bring. With the help of your charm, it was very easy for us to search it out.
Very, very easy.
So we are waiting for you to do the magic so that the millions can start to flow. Millions.
I can't wait to be calling.
Yes. You know, I have actually got to where they're selling brand new cars to price. There's one I want to buy for 25 million.
My eyes was already on one particular building.
Yes, so bring it out. Yeah.
This one, I don't know why he's looking at it like this.
You don't know what you have. It's a very big ring now, so leave him to look at it properly.
This is not the right ring.
Huh? Ha 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 ha.
You got the wrong ring.
Ogamazazu, you have to look well because we know this ring. It is the same ring Awoga Chief Okola has been wearing since we started working for him.
The ring you cannot do it. This is
the ring.
What are you telling me?
No, there is another.
Huh? Did you swallow that one?
If you must get rich, like Chief, you must get it.
How can we get what is swallowed? Use this one that's already available.
I will make another charm for you to make the search easy. But that will cost you another 50,000 naira.
50,000 what?
I'm on my way.
Why is it like this?
50,000. What do you mean? 50,000.
Why are you like this?
Oh. Yeah? Another 50,000 naira. That is another 1 month's salary. Yeah? No, I don't think I will want to continue.
Are you normal? No. Are you sure you are still normal? You were born a poor man, and now you are telling me you want to die a poor man too?
Listen, I was not born a poor man.
Says who?
What are you saying?
Says who? I've been to your place. There was no house. If you had money in your family, there should be a house. Are you saying?
Let it be. How are we even sure that this your Masazu is genuine?
Why? What is the problem with you? No, what is the problem with you? Listen to me. The guy that introduced me to Masazu was the same guy that he already made super rich. As I'm talking to you now, he has 2 houses in the GRA.
Are you serious?
2 houses in the GRA. From money he made from Masazu. Hey, listen to me. Have you forgotten what they say about money? Ego di nogu. Money is hidden inside tons. Now, if you are prepared for money, you must be ready for the tons.
I will give another 50,000.
Hey! Is that not my dad's ring? Let me see that thing you just picked up from there.
What? Total, can't you just speak? Total,
what is this? Total, what? What is total? Total, why are you calling my name? Were you not the one that just picked it? You're calling total. Yeah.
Masazu, 50,000. 2 houses in GRA. I heard all that. And I think you guys have some explaining to do. Now come with me.
Come with you.
Pick up that ring and come with me now. Both of you come with me.
Sandra. Where is she? Sandra!
Daddy.
Have you seen my ring? I've been searching for it everywhere.
Have not, Dad. But I think these 2 men here do.
Thank you.
Not too fast, Daddy. Not too fast, please. Or you start talking, both of you. Or do you need the armed men outside to help you talk?
No, sir. We are going to talk. Sir, we'll talk, sir. Sir, it is the devil. I told Stanley already that Masazu is the devil and that God will punish him, sir.
No, not Stanley. Mr. Total.
Are you idiot? We have problem here. Forget this nonsense.
Total. Both of you, shut up there. Shut up. And start explaining to me. What happened?
Daddy, we have the wrong guys as domestic workers. Don't worry, let me call the officer. Officers!
Please. It's not the ring,
Go and get the armed men.
Maybe you should let go. If a guy said that to you, then I'm very sure he doesn't like you.
I will not let go. I, Betsy, will get what I want. I will never take no for an answer.
They are back together as we speak. And I'm very sure they won't let you come close to them to do anything. Another plan cropping up in your head?
Douglas, that guy could be my tool.
The same guy that...
Yes, he's broke and will do practically anything to make money. Betsy!
You want to go out spending the money that you don't have?
Don't you dare insult me in Dikeh. Who told you I don't have money? Is it because I'm sharing this miserable house with you? Huh?
I'm sorry, okay? But when are you going to be done? Because I want you to help me with that chef guy.
Hello. How are you? Here, Betsy. I know you lost your job. I have a proposal for you. Something that will oil your pocket, fetch you some money that will help keep body and soul together. I'll be waiting.
You see, Betty, there is a way I walk. I am not one of those men that keep deceiving themselves, lying that they don't like money, because I do like money. If you want me to do anything for you, just do what I say. Consider it done.
So, Douglas, the only problem you have is money.
I am not the only one that has the problem. All men have the same problem, money.
I don't have a problem with that. Consider it done. I'll send you an SMS where I'll give you a brief of exactly what I require of you. And then the rest is history.
You have my number, so I am waiting for the SMS. Please, don't send to the wrong number. Because I will finish this work for you.
Let me worry about that.
Betsy, please! This is my opportunity. I never knew this was the same Douglas that works in the same house with Total.
Njide, please. I promise to come up with something to help you. But this is about me.
I will pay him. I can see that he's desperate for money. I will pay him to help me get Total, please!
You will not do that. Douglas is working for me. I promise to come up with something for you, but you have to wait for it.
This is the best plan for me. I can feel it.
Don't be selfish. Can't you see that this is about me? I won't let you use Douglas. Well, not until I'm done using him.
Okay. So what's the plan with him?
Thanks for asking. The plans that I have will finally bring an end to Mark and Amanda's God-forsaken relationship. Listen to it.
Yes.
Why you like this channel so much?
You know I love it. They used to do current films.
They show current movies?
Yeah, they show current movies, yeah.
Come on, why don't you change it? Let me see what's happening on sports.
You want to go back to football? No,
I don't want to watch. I just want to see what's happening. Come back in here, okay?
Amanda, are you in there? Just come out, please.
I'm
Sorry, let me check who is this.
Baby, but I thought we agreed on enjoying our privacy today.
I know, but let me just check. I'll be back. Okay.
Amanda, I know you are in there. Just come out. Let me hear your voice.
What are you doing here?
What kind of question is that? I have come to spend time with you. Do you have a problem with that?
Hello? You can't just barge into my home like that.
But your home has always been my home. And my home is yours. So when did we start to discriminate? I don't understand.
Who is this?
Why are you asking her? You should ask me. My name is Douglas. And you, I suppose, you are Mark, right?
Same Douglas?
Of course, same Douglas, who is in charge.
Baby, this is one of Betty's plots. I don't have anything to do with this good for nothing.
Hello? Are you trying to deny me in front of this one? To prove which point? Don't worry, let me not even waste your time because I don't have time myself. I came purposely to return your stuff back to you. These are your pants that you left in my house. Because of you want to scare other girls away. Let me tell you, please, in your next life, do not ever forget anything in my house. Not talk of pants. Take it, idiot.
Liar. Desperate liar that will do anything to get feeding money. That is who you are. How much did Betty pay you from her miserable empty purse? How much? 1,000 or 2? Is that enough for you to destroy a great relationship? Something you and Total can never have with any woman.
You know what? I don't have time for witchcraft. Because looking at you, I'm already seeing a witch. Idiot.
Need to.
Hey. Come back here. Come and pick the stuff you dropped.
Yes, come and pick these things out of this place.
Look at this idiot. Take your pants and go inside.
Useless things. Amanda, you are way too kind. I would have gotten him arrested.
It's all Betty's fault. Njideka, what have I ever done to Betty?
She's just been herself. Wicked, naughty, envious, ill-mannered, and lazy. She's so freaking lazy she can't even work on her own relationship. Like she always says, I don't have to go all the way to the ocean to fish when I can have fish already in the pan. Ha! Mark, you have an amazing woman by your side. Don't allow desperados like Betty ruin your relationship. Aight?
Njideka, thank you. Thank you so much.
Honey, please, I am sorry, okay? I'm sorry for judging you negatively. Please, just forgive me, okay? Please.
Blockhead like you. Next time, learn how to believe me.
Okay, ma'am. Sure. See, I was just being jealous.
I know.
Don't blame me now.
Come in. Yeah. Njideka, you that I trusted with practically everything, including my life. Why are you doing this? Throwing me out of your house.
I am saving myself from you, Betsy. You are poisonous.
All I have ever done is to help you.
Really? What kind of help are we talking about here?
Help is help. Come to think of it, I was actually cooking up a revenge on that cook for you.
The chef, you mean? If that's the only kind of help you have to offer, then you are not a good influence. I need to refresh my life, rebuild my mindset, and I can't do that with you around.
Where do you want me to go now?
I don't know. If you had money to plot the destruction of someone's relationship, then you should as well have money to get yourself a miserable room like mine. So shoo! Out of my house and out of my face forever. Get out! I said get out!
Thank you.
You are welcome, you poisonous snake. Get out! Nonsense.
What is the meaning of this? I mean, what are you both doing here?
We are working.
Exactly.
Sandra, this is our new work because you are the genesis of our problem. We don't have job anymore. We are jobless because of what you did. So we have come to settle it once and for all. Here now, in front of your father's gate. Here.
Both of you are very sick.
Hey, say. Don't be so fast. Don't just be so fast, Sandra. Listen, you must oblige us to test it freely, or we take it by force.
I beg your pardon.
Yeah, I will force it out. What kind of pardon?
What do you want to test?
Look at it. That in the lower abdomen. We have come to. Oh, don't block it because we are taking it. This your trouser you're wearing is not going to solve any problem because I will just tear it on your own. Remove it on your own. Let's do this. In fact,
break it down.
What did you just do? Why did you just shoot the bastards? Do you know what they plan to do? To rape me? Why don't you bring them down?
My dear, there is a way we do our things. I cannot just shoot.
Idiots! Fools!
I'm so excited. All the forces that rose to separate Mark and I have finally failed. Finally, Mark came to see my father to ask my hand in marriage. We are getting married.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Aren't you lucky? I mean, look at your business. Above all, you have a good man to compliment you.
Girlfriend, I am blessed. In fact, every woman is blessed. It all depends on how you plan your life.
I see.
Oh no! Don't misunderstand me. I'm not trying to brag or something. But our lifestyle goes a long way in determining how far we go in life.
Well, you're right. True.
Okay, I want to officially inform you that I have no better friend to stand by my side as my maid of honor on my wedding day than you.
Oh, wait. I don't understand. Are you trying to say I should be your maid of honor?
Yes, I want you to be my maid of honor.
For real?
Yes, for
real.
real.
Oh my God,
I'm so excited.
Me too. I don't know what to say.
Just hold on. Girlfriend, just order anything you want for lunch this afternoon. I'll get it for you. Anything at all. Just mention it.
Listen, babes. Anything you order, okay? Anything. I'm cool with anything. I'm just so excited. Like, please let me tap to this.
It's so funny what some people will do. What they do will surely baffle you. People playing silly games, all for selfish gains. Because of the things that are vain, it's hard to explain. In the process, they cause people pain. They plot and plan all they can. They plot and plan all they can to achieve their selfish selfish needs, to achieve their selfish needs. Yes, indeed. Oh, yes, indeed. There's nothing there